Breaking news, structural issues at Ruthven Towers. Hi everyone, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whatever time you're watching this. I just hope that you're having a great day. So today we're going to look at a Gleaner article I stumbled upon scrolling through Instagram on Sunday, May 28th, and it reads structural issues at upscale Ruthven Towers prevents owners from occupying apartments. And I'm like, huh? Ruby? What's going on here? So when I saw this article, I was just very shocked because I thought everything was running pretty much smoothly with Ruthven Towers. I had passed probably a week ago, and the place looked really nice from the outside, really well put together, and looked as if it was ready for persons to move in. So I was quite shocked seeing this news article. So anyway, I decided to delve a bit deeper into the article, went onto the Gleaner's website and started reading it, and a snippet from the first segment of this article reads, persons approved for units at the NHT's Ruthven Towers have not yet been able to move into their new homes amid reports that an occupancy certificate is yet to be granted for the brand new apartment complex. And then I started to wonder, what's an occupancy certificate? So upon hitting up our favorite friend, Mr. Google, I found out that a certificate of occupancy is a document issued by a local government agency or building department certifying a building's compliance with the applicable building codes and or other laws and indicating it to be in a condition suitable for occupancy or living. So then I started to think, no man, wait, this a nice building here. Not up to building code, not up to standard. No man, something alright. So I dive deeper into the article here now, and it states the Jamaica Fire Brigade confirmed Friday that there are issues preventing the issuance of a clearance for the 86 units in the St. Andrew property to be occupied. The Jamaica Fire Brigade's public relations officer, Mr. Emilio Ibanks, said an application was made for the certificate, but he has denied to discuss specific details. He also said he could not speak on when the last inspection was done and whether a certificate is likely to be issued within the next 2 months. So I dive a little bit deeper into it now. And while Mr. Ibanks never spilled the tea, 2 anonymous NHT employees did. There are some structural issues with the property. 2 senior officials at the NHT have disclosed there are concerns about the fire doors and staircase and the access to the basement where residents are to park, said one of the officials who requested anonymity. Jesus, that word trips me up every time. Because they were not authorized to speak on the matter. The latest situation is added pressure on the NHT, who has frustrated homeowners who have been approved for Ruthven Towers houses. Very much frustrated because they can't move into their properties, and that's down in the basement area that we're talking about right now. That's on video. Pressure starts to build, and the Jamaica Gleaner starts to dig or delve a bit deeper into the situation right now. And they state the NHT, which reports directly to the Prime Minister Andrew Holness, has not answered questions from the Sunday Gleaner on the current issue, including whether the absence of an approved fire door is contributing to the delay. There are reports that the door is expected in Jamaica between May and July of 2022. Comment down below and let me know if you think the Sunday Gleaner is throwing some shade at the Prime Minister's way by adding his name to this article, because really and truly it never really necessary. So let me know down below if you think they're just trying to throw some shade over that side. Alright, so this Ruthven Towers project has caused a lot of uproar thus far. Problem after problem, bad press after bad press. The Sunday Gleaner is stating that the project has been hit with several missed deadlines and financial creativity by the NHT to ensure persons selected can cover the costs of the units that range from 27.7 million Jamaican dollars to 37.7 million Jamaican dollars. Last December, the NHT reported that the 1 and 2 bedroom units at the new Kingston / St. Andrew property were sold out weeks after they were put on the market. But now the NHT is stating that they anticipate the selection process of the new homeowners will be completed soon. The NHT will be able to share more on the selection process upon completion, said the state entity in a May 2022 statement that was hardly different from what was provided over 3 months ago. The Sunday Gleaner is also stating that the NHT stated that selling these particular homes would be quick and easy. Now, on the issue of financing, the NHT has been considering and revising several options to enable the pre-selected persons to be able to cover the costs of the units. The NHT has used means to allocate the units through open market offering and its priority index entitlement PI. Under PI, persons applying for a scheme house benefit are shortlisted based on a combination of factors including proximity to the scheme, to applicants' workplace or then address of residence. Up to April 30, 2022, of the reported 226 applications submitted under PI, only 22 were able to afford the units. Approximately 70 applications were closed. There were 143 applications from the open market and only 15 were completed. It means 37 applicants were in a position to be handed keys. The figure has reportedly grown to about 42 at present. Several unions representing public sector workers have also returned their special allocations because 2 units assigned to it were returned as members were selected in the regular intake. That speaks to the Jamaica Civil Service Association and its over 30,000 members. And then nurses who got approved, they can't afford to pay $140,000 per month for a mortgage, so they had to return their special benefits as well. So basically, when the Gleaner ran their calculations, a nurse or anyone looking to afford one of the Ruthven Towers properties would have to be able, at the lowest price, it would cost $150,000 per month, which that would mean that you would have to be earning $5 million annually. So your gross salary would have to be $5 million for you to be able to afford the Ruthven Towers property. There's a lot more in this particular article. I'll link it down below, but I'm just speaking more specifically to the structural issues, and based on what I saw on the article, I thought it would be much more, but all the issues that were presented, they are quick fixes. They're just waiting on the doors to come in, and all of that will be sorted out, and the Ruthven Towers project will be open for its new homeowners to come in and live there freely and safely. But I know for a fact that when that happens, the Jamaica Gleaner will have, or the Sunday Gleaner will have, another article out, and I'll try to cover that for you guys as well. Let me know if you like this particular segment where I go through breaking news in the real estate market, and if you do like it, I'll continue to make these videos. But that has been enough from me, AB, signing out.